Hello friends. This video will help you in getting your Google Cloud Platform's API credentials in JSON format. Your home page would look like this. On the top most tab you can find your current selected project. Click on the three horizontal lines icon on the top, also known as the hamburger icon. Select I am an admin from the list and click on Service Accounts. Now, click on the Create Service Account option on the top. Give your service account an appropriate name and description and click on Create. You can give permissions to this service account as desired. Here I have selected full access over all the resources, but you can change according to your requirements. Next, you need to click on the three dots icon and select Manage Keys. Click on Add Key and select Create New Key. Choose JSON and click on Create. This will download the credentials file to your system. Your credentials should look like this. Now you can save the file and start using GCP API. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe my channel for more such videos.